Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you today how to make your pictures Obama style. First, I want you to go on our website called obamaicon.me. I'll post a link in the video description. Then I want you to press create. You can see galleries of other people, or you can create an account, register, and go to your profile. I'll pick Obama icon. You can use your webcam to get a picture, or you can upload a photo from your hard drive. I'll pick this. You can skip this step, and you can like tweak it a little bit so you can get the colors right how you want it. You get the shade. You can rotate the picture. You can zoom. You can also change what it says in the bottom. See, that's nice. Okay, you can save it and put it in the gallery if you're registered for an account. Okay, peace YouTube.